This is at our campground. Jimmy is making a huge steak for Thanksgiving. Oh, yeah, we had turkey and everything else at the campground, but he made steak because my girls love steak. Now, this is in San Fernando, Spain. We are visiting with Isabel for a couple of weeks, a week or two, I can't remember. Anyway, he loved it there. He could go to the store on his own, even though he didn't speak the language, everybody was helpful. And he loved making dinner as often as he could. He and Isabel went back and forth cooking. They're both good cooks, so it was wonderful. His famous stuffed peppers, and I believe he's making chicken wings here. Yes, chicken wings. And then another day, he made fajitas, which is what I think he's making at the moment. All the fixings of fajitas.
Oh, wow.
Now we are back in Lake Placid, Florida, and this was in the home that we stayed in during the beginning of COVID, and did lots of cooking because we didn't go out much, and we had the ground girls over, so he took time to teach them how to cook certain things, which I think is wonderful. It's a great memory for them as well. And here we are back in Delaware, visiting our niece and nephew. Our daughter and her girls came up to visit us for Thanksgiving, and we just had a feast. Well, this was actually before the feast of Thanksgiving or after, I can't remember. But Uncle Jimmy decided to make ossobuco with all the trimmings, and it was out of this world. I mean, it was amazing, out of this world, and one of my favorites.
Single file. Single file. You gotta turn around. Face forward. Column forward.
And what are we having? I'm so confused.
And then back in Florida, of course, we love having friends and family visit us where we're camping. And Jimmy likes to be able to take the time to cook for them as well. And we were having Cynthia and Fidel, who are just great about coming to visit and eating outside no matter what the weather. This happened to be kind of a hot day in the sun, but it was a nice breezy day too, so it was nice to be able to have a picnic outside together. And Jimmy had all the trimmings.